Hey there, I've heard a news that you don't need to spend any extra money. Just wait 9 months and you can start making a profit. Sounds too good to be true, right? But my friend, let me tell you how I've turned pitfalls into golden opportunities, making New York's real estate investment as easy as pie. When it comes to New York's housing issues, some people are hopeful, while others are downright despairing. But let's be honest, New York's housing crisis is jaw-droppingly serious. Everyone's looking for an affordable place and the market demand is through the roof. According to the latest stats, the median home price in New York City in 2024 has shot up to $699,333. Overall, home prices have gone up 7.2% over the past year, while the number of homes for sale has dropped by 4.5%. Prices keep climbing, but there are fewer and fewer options available. Everyone expects prices to keep going up. Even with higher interest rates, New York real estate remains the top choice for investors looking to hedge against inflation and make a steady investment. But the traditional real estate development model can't keep up with the needs of the market and investors anymore. The world needs a brand new solution. And our new solution is right here, HTR's Global Village. Are you ready to take on this exciting challenge? Let's ask our ChatGPT assistant. First, let's feed GPT some info about HTR. Great, it seems to completely get what HTR is all about. Now I want to know which area in New York is the best market for HTR. Let's feed it Zillow's New York real estate map. GPT, what do you think? Long Island? That's unexpected. You better give me some more convincing info, like a user profile. Okay, now you've got my full trust. So, give me a specific spot in Long Island that's perfect for HTR's Global Village. Hunter's Point? The name alone sounds like a treasure hunt. Nice, I like this place. All right, folks, it looks like we've found the ideal plot. Now we just need to get started. So let's move the Global Village here. By the way, what's the average home price around Hunter's Point? And how should we price our properties to stay super competitive? Got it, this price will definitely help us crush the market. All right, real estate moguls in the making. Are you ready to have your mind blown? Let's dive into the revolutionary world of HTR's Global Village and see how it's turning the New York real estate game on its head. Picture this, a 36,000 square meter plot, a cool $3 billion investment with $450 million going towards the initial land cost. Now, hold on to your hats because this is where things get wild. Traditional building, yawn, 6 towers, 55 floors. But HTR, bam, 6 towers, 80 floors. Same cost, more space. What's the difference? Let's witness the miracle of HTR. Infrastructure and on-site preparation costs. You've probably heard enough about infrastructure costs for houses, right? The traditional scheme averages $545,455 per floor, while HTR only needs $362,500. Why so cheap? Because HTR uses prefabricated buildings, greatly reducing the need for on-site infrastructure, thus lowering costs. In terms of equipment and machinery costs, HTR's efficient prefabrication actually increases equipment utilization, saving about 34% more costs. Labor costs. Indeed, labor costs are the biggest headache for real estate investors worldwide, and this is HTR's ace in the hole. The traditional building scheme has labor costs of about $2,000 per floor, but HTR, since most of the prefabrication work is done in the factory and on-site, it just needs to be assembled like building blocks, only costs $1,287,500 per floor. You heard that right, saving nearly 36% on labor costs. Material costs. Good news, HTR's steel structure materials are lighter than traditional concrete, which not only reduces infrastructure demands, but also cuts down on material waste through factory prefabrication, further lowering costs. Traditional buildings have material costs of $2,450 to $4,545 per floor, while HTR only needs $1,737,500. Yes, the difference is indeed astounding. Interior finishing costs. I'm sure you've heard enough complaints about house renovations. Traditional schemes not only cost more, but also take forever and drive people crazy. But HTR comes with built-in finishes, and the exterior needs little extra decoration, saving 33% on costs. Plus, HTR's finishes come standard with comfortable fresh air and air conditioning systems, achieving near zero carbon emissions. Construction time. Traditional building schemes need 54 months to complete, including 42 months of construction and 12 months of finishing, while HTR only needs 9 months to transport modules and assemble on site, saving a total of 45 months in construction time. What does this mean? If you rent it out, you can start making money 45 months earlier. It's like HTR has found a way to bend time itself. Overall benefits. More astonishingly, with these cost reductions, when we put the entire $3 billion into this money-making piece of land, the results are truly mind-blowing. With the same size, 2-bedroom apartments, the traditional building scheme can only build 373 units, while HTR can build 633 units, 760 more units. At a rental rate of $3,000 per month, that's an extra $5.28 million in monthly rental income. Are you feeling the excitement yet? ROI, return on investment? For the 6 55-story buildings, the traditional concrete structures have an ROI of 3.72%. But here's the kicker. When HTR sells at 70% of the traditional building price, its ROI shoots up to 5.31%. Time to sell out. Let's get back to the initial question. How long does it take for a $3 billion investment project in New York to sell out? If you choose the traditional scheme, get ready to wait forever. 6 buildings with 55 floors of traditional concrete construction need 54 months to build, plus 15 months to sell, a total of 69 months. Yes, you read that right. 69 months. We'd almost turn into fossils. And hey, if you found this info as mind-blowing as I did, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I want to hear what you think about this real estate revolution. And as always, stay savvy, stay profitable, and I'll see you in the next video.